Ugh, it's summer and lawn care is just miserable. Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the V100 Robotic Lawnmower from YARDCARE. That's right, it's a lawnmower that will mow your yard for you. Genius! On those summer days where it's just so miserably hot outside, you can now have a robotic lawnmower handle your grass. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this YARDCARE robotic lawnmower, the V100 right here. As you can see, it's a robot. It's kind of like a Roomba, and it cuts your yard. Well, let's open it up. So one of the first things you see in the box is the user manual right here. And this thing is important because it's going to explain what all the buttons do, how to replace the blades on it, because underneath it there's like little razor blades. Super important, make sure you look at this. Next up we have our battery charger right here, and it looks like one of those that uses the batteries from like power tools and stuff, right? So slap that on there and charge it up. I went ahead and pulled the battery out the back, and as you see, it's an 18-volt lithium battery right here. 4,000 mAh, so I'm going to assume these can be upgraded as well to give you more mow time and also backup batteries. We've got this little baggie right here of replacement blades and the screws for them as well. As I mentioned, they're like razor blades that go on the bottom. So very, very cool that you get some replacement. And the moment of truth, the lawnmower. Dangerous, keep hands and feet away. Well, it's not on right now, so this is what it looks like. We've got a little camera right here. Very, very cool. Looks like we've got an adjustment for the blade size, this stop button, a couple of buttons right here. On the back here, this opens up and the battery can go in there. This is how the bottom looks. There's our razor blades right there that get kind of slung out while cutting. We've got a wheel that turns, and then this little bumper here that kind of tells it, hey, there's an obstacle.
This thing looks awesome, definitely feels high quality. Let's try it out. This is the YARDCARE V100 Robotic Lawnmower. Visual navigation technology, the V100 Robotic Mower features a high-definition camera that accurately identifies and differentiates the grass in your lawn. This advanced technology ensures optimal navigation for mowing, making your lawn care not only easier but also more efficient. Ideal for small lawns, the V100 Lawnmower is equipped with a 20-volt battery, and the V100 Lawnmower Robotic fully charges in about 110 minutes and operates continuously for about 70 minutes. It efficiently covers lawns up to 1,600 square feet while leaving grass clippings behind to naturally nourish and fertilize the lawn. For larger yards, additional batteries are available for purchase separately, allowing you to extend mowing time and cover a greater area. Good for clear boundary lawns, the V100 wire-free robotic mower is best suited for lawns with clearly defined boundary, as it relies on precise boundary settings to ensure efficient and accurate operation, preventing it from straying outside the designated mowing area. For now, the V100 does not support the use of magnetic strips, so it performs the best in areas with natural or built-in physical boundaries, such as fences, sidewalks, or edges. YARDCARE is working on adding more advanced boundary features in the future updates for this device. Adjustable heights, the V100 requires no outdoor power outlets or app setup. Simply place the mower on the lawn of the appropriate size and press the start button. Let it begin its work automatically. The V100 automatic lawnmower features a manual adjustment knob, allowing you to easily set the ideal mowing height for your lawn with a cutting height of about 0.8 to 2.4 inches. And it has obstacle avoidance. The V100 is equipped with a high-definition camera that detects various obstacles and automatically navigates around them. Additionally, the mower features a high-precision collision sensor that triggers an immediate path adjustment upon light contact with an obstacle. This dual obstacle avoidance system ensures that the robot efficiently and safely completes its mowing task. YARDCARE, this thing is awesome. We're a huge fan of it. Wow. Summer just got better. This thing is awesome. YARDCARE. The fact that it has obstacle avoidance is just amazing. In addition to this, they have so many different versions with even some that act like Roombas with an app, and they map the yard and everything. It's awesome. We want to give a huge shout out to YARDCARE for sponsoring this video. You can find all the links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.